Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Garvee 12,000 BTU Mini Split AC/heating system. I have looked through the internet, analyzed real-world installation experiences, and compared similar systems in this category to understand whether this unit actually delivers reliable performance or if it is just another budget-friendly alternative that compromises on quality. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first major advantage of this system is its inverter-based 12,000 BTU cooling and heating capacity. In practical terms, this means the unit is designed to maintain a stable room temperature rather than constantly turning on and off like older AC systems. Users generally report smoother temperature control and improved comfort because of this steady operation. The ability to both cool and heat makes it useful year-round, which adds significant value compared to single-function air conditioners. Energy efficiency is another strong point. With a 19 SEER2 rating, the system is designed to reduce electricity consumption compared to traditional non-inverter units. In real-world use, this can translate into noticeable savings over time, especially in regions where the AC runs frequently during hot summers or cold winters. Users who switch from portable or window units often mention that mini-split systems feel more efficient and consistent in maintaining indoor comfort. One of the most appreciated aspects of this unit is its quiet operation. With indoor noise levels as low as around 30 dB, it is significantly quieter than most portable air conditioners and even many window units. In practical use, this makes it ideal for bedrooms, home offices, and living spaces where constant background noise can become distracting. Many users highlight that once installed, the system becomes almost unnoticeable during operation, especially in sleep mode. The system also includes multiple operating modes, including cooling, heating, dry, fan, sleep, and eco modes. In everyday use, this flexibility allows users to adjust performance based on weather conditions and personal comfort preferences. The Eco mode helps reduce energy usage, while Sleep mode gradually adjusts temperature settings overnight to maintain comfort without excessive cooling or heating. Air quality features also add value. The self-cleaning evaporator function helps reduce buildup inside the system, while washable filters make routine maintenance easier. In real-world use, this helps maintain cleaner airflow and reduces the need for frequent servicing compared to older systems that require more manual cleaning and maintenance. Another important aspect is airflow customization. With multiple fan speeds and adjustable airflow direction, users can fine-tune how air is distributed across the room. This helps improve comfort in different layouts, whether you want focused cooling while working or more even distribution for general room comfort. Of course, there are some important considerations. Installation is one of the biggest factors with any mini-split system. Unlike portable or window units, this requires professional HVAC installation for proper setup, refrigerant handling, and long-term reliability. This adds to the initial cost and means it is not a plug-and-play solution. Additionally, while 12,000 BTU is sufficient for many medium-sized rooms, larger open spaces may require higher capacity systems for optimal performance. So after reviewing everything available online and real-world user feedback, would I recommend the Garvee 12,000 BTU Mini Split AC/heating system? Yes, especially for users who want a long-term, energy-efficient, quiet, and stable climate control solution for a medium-sized room. It offers strong performance, year-round usability, and excellent comfort once properly installed. However, if you're looking for a quick setup solution or something portable, a mini-split system may not be the most convenient option. So my final verdict is this. The Garvee 12,000 BTU Mini Split AC/heating system is a highly efficient ductless climate solution that combines inverter technology, quiet operation, dual heating and cooling, and strong energy savings, making it an excellent choice for permanent home or office installation where long-term comfort matters most.